be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking. I can't stop thinking about you.
and start rolling it into a long sausage shape. Here we go. You have to be as quick as you can, but as careful as you can too, because you don't want the clay to break.
Hurry up!
I'm going as quick as I can. Don't put me off, I'm on a roll. Here we go. Right, this looks quite good. Now start twirling around your sausage shape like that, and then building it up into a pot shape like this. There we go. Building it round. Here we go, round and round it goes. Here we go. Here we go, and then turn it round like that and turn up the head and give it a squidge. Then get 2 other little bits, put them on the front like that. There are the eyes, and get a pencil and make eyes. I did it! Triangle and our sausage shape of white card, and if we glue the triangle on the end, that will make a good fin for our aeroplane. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it over and fold it in half like that, and then make a snip very carefully along this folded edge. That's going to make a slot. Now if we open that up, we can make ourselves a wing by drawing a wing shape on this rectangular piece of card there. Now I'm going to get a pair of scissors and cut this wing shape out very carefully.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, Tocky, don't you worry. Here comes the wing. There we go. Right, now, hopefully, our wing will slot into our plane. Let's have a look. Yes, it does. That looks great. OK, now I'm going to get my black pen and draw on a window at the front, and then windows all the way along. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. I've done it! First thing to do is to peel the backing off your sticky back plastic. Now, you'll find this easier to do if you put sticky tape on the corners like that. Now, let's start making our rubbish design. Just lay down the bits of your wrappers and ripped up crisp packets. Now, you can make any design you want. That's the beauty of this idea. Just put the bits down there.
It's rubbish!
It's not rubbish, it's looking quite good, actually.
Halfway!
Halfway already? Oh. There we go. Now you have to go as quickly as you can.
Hurry up!
All right, I stick that down and then just pick up these bits here. It's done! Ooh, what a great design!